Okay. Got strong beeps. Holy sh! Logan! Did you hear that? Come on, come on. Okay, it's idling really high, which is whatever. We're definitely getting some kind of spark. We might not be getting all of our spark though.
Getting some more gas.
Okay. Did it sound good?
It sounded good for the most part.
Okay, you
Except
go,
right
you
when
go
it
try and
shuts
turn
off.
it over. You just gotta give it a little gas. Okay, hold on. Spraying rust out the exhaust pipe, that's good. Doesn't look like any oil or fluid came out though. It's not putting out too much smoke or black or, you know, anything bad. Actually, it's burning pretty clean.
Yeah, okay, that's enough.
Yeah, so it's sparking. Huh. Well, it definitely kind of works. For a car that hasn't been started in 4 years and is 30 years old, I'm pretty happy about where we are right now. Maybe I over-tightened it. It does look a bit like it might be cross-threaded. It's either not the right part or it's a piece of shit. So I got some new spark plug wires, and I hope that they are the right thing. They're so beautiful and blue. They look like about the right proportion. They're actually numbered. This is awesome. 1, 2, 3, 4.
A whole lot of nothing. Why would anybody want to watch a video about you just doing compression tests?
Trying and failing. So what we have here is pretty conclusive evidence that we probably have a blown head gasket. We are in fact going to have to pull the engine and redo all the gaskets. An eventuality that I was prepared for. But I don't know. I just wanted to hear the engine first. I just wanted to have a little bit of fun with it before I tear it to pieces.
People are disappointed with the traction they're getting from their present car, which is why more and more of them are looking into the #1 four-wheel drive car in America at their Subaru dealer.
So we've got the engine stripped about as far as I've ever stripped it. The air intake system is pulled off. Power steering fluid is pulled off. The vacuum hoses on this side are pulled off. All the wiring over here is unbuckled. The starter is pulled, which means we've got one of our transmission bolts out. We've got 5 more to go, 4 more to go. Gotta get the downpipe off, and then the 2 mounting bolts on the cross member, and then the whole thing's gonna come out. Oh yeah. Look at that stack of washers on there, man. Okay. Whew. Yep. Oh, yeah, of course it's gonna spin. Oh, we got it. There we go. Maybe. Maybe not off. What the actual... Look at this. What is that? There's 5 washers on there. Yeah. And there you go. Oh boy. Can you see that? Yep. I don't know if it's supposed to be bent like that. Probably not. Come on, man. Get on our last bolt here. Yeah. Can you see that? There it is, coming apart. So in the past, when I've pulled engines out of Subarus, I usually take the chain and I wrap it around a little hook that's right back here. I can't really do that with this one. I do, however, have a bracket back here that looks fairly sturdy, and because I didn't take off my alternator and my alternator bracket, I have a pretty good carrier right there, as long as I pull it in such a way that it doesn't tweak the alternator, which would be not so good. Of course, it is going to be totally lopsided when I go to pull it out, but the engine's pretty light. It's not going to be fighting me too hard. More. Now you gotta hold it. I don't really want to put my fingers in there in case it like smashes down on me. Okay.
Picked it up on this side and tried to like move it out. Excuse me.
There we go. Yep. So look on the back side. Are we catching anything? Anything pulling?
2 studs. But they're going to hit the top of the trainer.
What's that thing?
There's that bolt or something?
Yeah. Is it cleared?
No. You're gonna destroy your fan. Take your fan off. While you do that, I'm gonna go through.
Okay, the fan is hitting. Take the fan off. Now we try again. Okay. Woo!
Got a lot of...
Look at that. Making it clear.
So there you have it. It took me a month to finally get this engine pulled, but I'm glad we took the time to clean it up and investigate. In the next chapter, we'll cross our fingers, crack this thing open, and see what it's all about. Hit that subscribe button if you want to keep up with the build. Thanks for tuning in. See you next time.